Why are we so fucking shit? Man, them fuck about all I'm weak. All fuck I'm weak. People, West Ham 1, Manchester United 0. And the day that Newcastle lost to Arsenal, and the day that we could have jumped in front of Newcastle by 1 point, and the day that when Chelsea was creeping up with asses like them coming like leeching on the buckle, we lost 1-0 to fucking West Ham, fam. It happened every fucking year. Last year and now this year. Towards the end of the season, damn, fam. Fucking damn, bro. All right, so let's get with it. What the fuck did we just see? David De Gea, you're a secret agent, fam. You know when you're fighting for the USA, but you just, secretly change allegiance to the Russians in KGB, that kind of shit. That's what you're playing, fam. You're playing for the enemy, fam. You're a secret fucking agent, fam. You tell me what was that, fam? What was that? What the fuck was that, David De Gea? What the fuck was that? Please tell me what the fuck. What the fuck did we just see? Our striking force, dead. Rashford, dead. Martial, dead. Weghorst, dead. Anthony, dead. I didn't even see Sancho when him come on. Maybe 20 minutes, I don't know. It's just dead. Yo, just dead. Dead, fucking dead. What the fuck did we just see? A team without Varane and Martinez. Manchester United without Varane and Martinez is like social all over again. Without Varane and Martinez, we look like schoolboys playing senior man football. After that game against Sevilla at Old Trafford, when Varane got off injury at halftime, when Martinez got injured in the second half, about 70 minutes, 20 minutes, it's been done for, fam. It's been done for. What the fuck did we just see? Luke Shaw, Lindelof, they played well in spurts, but West Ham still got around them, get behind them. I don't have no faith in Harry Maguire. Our defense is dead. Dead. It's fucking dead. What the fuck did we just see? I saw Eric Ten Hag talking about his team gave everything. Gave what, fam? Gave what, bro? What the fuck did you give? What? Because these men didn't look like they were playing football today, fam. These men didn't look like they wanted to play football today. Yeah, I saw the Rashford make up his face when he did that sprint. I saw that. We saw Bruno Fernandes running all over the place like madman. We saw that. We saw everybody put on that for. But did you guys actually come to play? Did you guys actually want to fucking win? Listen, Manchester United, 3 wins to make top 4. That's it. 3 fucking wins. That's it. 3 fucking wins. That is all we need. 3 fucking wins. Yeah? 3 fucking wins. People, bless up yourself. Bless up others. My week already get fucked, so. Manaz.